see 14th model, that is subtraction, mixed fraction, subtraction using multiple method. See, first this mixed fraction should be converted into improper fraction. That is 6 into 3. How much? 18. That is 3 into 6 plus 5 by 6 minus 2 into 8 plus 1 by 8. Then 6 3s are 18 plus 5 by 6 minus 8 2s are 60 plus 1 by 8. Now 18 plus 5, that is 23. 23 by 6 minus 17 by 8. Now here we have different denominators, that is 6 and 8. To find LCM, here they are asking multiple method. So again we have to go for the multiple method. That is multiple of 6. Multiples of 6. That is 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. Now multiples of 8. What are the multiples of 8? 8 to 60, 8 3s, 24 and so on. See, what are the common multiples? Common multiples are 24 and 24. So the LCM is also, LCM is equal to 24. Since the LCM is 24, first fraction is 23 by 6 should be multiplied by, since the LCM is 24, what is the first denominator? By 6. So 6 how many times 24 is? 6 4s are 24. That is 4 times. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. That is 23 4s are 4 3s are 12, 1, 4 2s 8, 9. 92 by 24. Next, see here 17 by 8. Look here, 17 by 8. That is, here the LCM is 24 and the denominator is 8. That is 3 times. So I have to multiply 3 by 3. 17 3s are 7 3s are 21. 1 2 so 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 by 24. Now we got the denominator 6. So we can subtract easily. That is 92 by 24 minus 51 by 24. Now when you subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. That is 41 by 24. 41 by 24 is an improper fraction. So this improper fraction should be converted into mixed fraction. That is 24 2s are 48. So we have to only one time. See, means you have to divide that. That is 24 should be divided by 41. That is one time. 24, 3 and 13 is the 1 minus 4 is not possible. 3, 1. Then what is the remainder is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 9 and 8. This 41 by 24 mixed fraction, you have to convert this. So we have to divide that. That is 24 should be divided by 41 one time. 24 and the remainder is 170. Yeah, the remainder is 7. So 117 by 24. This is the answer. Now we'll go for the second model, LCM. Direct method. See, here we did multiple method. We wrote multiples of 6, we wrote 12. 3 by 12 it can be written as 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. Therefore, the sum of 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is a proper fraction. Then you have to go for the 17th model. Now here 25 is 16 by 25, which is a proper fraction. Then you have to go for the next model. See, till here the subtraction, multiplications are completed. Multiplication of mixed fraction, proper fractions is completed. Now we are going for the new topic, that is division of fractions. This is the fourth operation, that is division of fraction. When you are going to divide, see, this is a fractional part and this is the whole number part. When you are dividing fractional part with whole number part, you have to go for the reciprocal. While I am telling division, I told you that the reciprocal of division is multiplication. The reciprocal of division is multiplication. So, first fraction is 3 by 5 and division is the reciprocal of multiplication. And see, 4, the denominator is not there. If any denominator is not there, that is 1, that is 4 by 1. Now when it is reciprocal, the reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Since reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4, means it will be reversed. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. That is 1 by 4. Then you have to see whether any cancellations are possible. There is no cancellations are possible. So we have to multiply numerators to numerators and denominators to denominators. That is 3 ones are 3, 5 fours are 20, which is a proper fraction. Therefore, 3 by 5 divided by 4 is equal to 3 by 20, which is a proper fraction. Then we have to go for mixed fraction into proper fraction. We are dividing mixed fraction with proper fraction. First, this mixed fraction should be converted into improper fraction. See, this is 5 into 3 plus 1 by 3. Means we are converting. This is into and we have to add this. That is again divided by 3 by 8. So 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 divided by 3 by 8. While dividing two fractions, I told that we have to take the reciprocal of division. So first fraction will be same, 16 by 3. Division reciprocal is multiplication and 3 by 8. Reciprocal